You know that feeling, right? You're stuck in a chat loop with a bot that just isn't getting it. It's maddening. But why does this technology, which is supposed to help us, so often feel completely broken? Well, today we're digging into a major research report to uncover the real root causes behind why AI in customer service goes so wrong. Let's get right into it. Now, just to set the stage, this is part 2 of our 5-part deep dive into the hidden cost of AI misuse, a fantastic research report from Virtualization Options LLC. In part 1, we saw what happens, how AI misuse turns your best customers into bargain hunters. Today, we're going a layer deeper to find out why. What are the core mistakes that lead to this whole mess? So let's start with what the report calls AI's customer service paradox. At the heart of this entire problem is a really fundamental conflict. The very tool designed to make your customers happier is often the exact thing that's driving them away. I mean, we've all been there, haven't we? Just furiously typing "speak to an agent" over and over and over again. It's this universal feeling of frustration. So what's going on? Why is a tool that's sold as the future of customer service so often making things so much worse? And this is the absolute core of the paradox the report identifies. This isn't just about a few buggy systems or some bad luck. It's about a fundamental breakdown where the tech that's meant to build and strengthen relationships with you is actually tearing them apart, sometimes for good. So that brings us to the first really big root cause, something the report calls a massive and frankly very costly delusion about what customer service is even for. The report calls it the efficiency delusion. And it's this mindset, this belief that customer service isn't an investment in people, it's just a cost on a spreadsheet that you need to cut. It's all about minimizing expense, not about maximizing the relationship. And that one little shift in thinking, well, it's the source of almost every problem that follows. And you can see this delusion in action when you look at the goals companies are chasing. It's all about reducing staff, making each interaction cheaper, getting people off the phone faster. But notice what's missing here? There's absolutely nothing about customer happiness or loyalty or, actually solving the problem. They're measuring the machine, not the relationship. All right, so next up, compounding root causes. Because this efficiency delusion isn't just one problem by itself. No, the report describes it as the first domino to fall in a very long line of failures that just make the customer's experience worse and worse. And here's the first of those knock-on effects, a total misalignment of goals. On one side, you've got the AI vendors. Their goal? Sell big, scalable, one-size-fits-all solutions. But on the other side, you've got us, the customers. We don't want a cookie-cutter answer. We want nuance, flexibility, and a little bit of understanding. The result of that clash? Rigid AI gets overused in places it just has no business being. And this gets to the tech itself. The report is really clear on this. Even with all the hype, a lot of today's AI just can't handle the messy reality of human relationships. It can't remember you called last week with the same issue. It doesn't get context. So when it's forced into these complex situations, it comes across as ignorant, maybe even insulting, and it turns a chance to build loyalty into a total dead end. Okay, this brings us to the really painful part. This is where we see the real-world impact. Because we're not just talking about frustration anymore, we are talking about serious, measurable financial damage. The report uses a really powerful phrase for this, revenue leakage. It's not one big catastrophic event. It's the money that just quietly drains away from a company, drip by drip, through thousands of those tiny negative AI interactions that push good customers out the door. So take a look at this first number, 54%. More than half of customers are already looking for another company to do business with just because of bad AI service. That's a massive, immediate threat to any business. And it gets even more alarming. 42% of customers say they would switch immediately if a competitor simply offered a better human-first service option. This makes a company incredibly vulnerable. All a competitor has to do is care just a little bit more, and they can steal your customers. This one is just staggering. The report found that the potential revenue a company could get from upselling or cross-selling can drop by a whopping 75% when a customer is handled by an AI instead of a human. That's a huge engine for growth, just gone. And the leaking doesn't stop there. As you can see, companies also lose their ability to charge a premium, because why would you pay more for a relationship that doesn't exist? For any business with subscriptions, renewal rates can absolutely plummet. We're talking a 30 to 50 point drop. The financial pain is coming from every direction. Beyond the direct revenue hit, there are all these hidden costs inside the company. Think about your human employees who have to spend all day apologizing for the robot's mistakes. Their morale just craters, productivity tanks, and pretty soon they quit. All those savings you thought you were getting from the AI, they get eaten up pretty fast. So all of this, the delusion, the bad incentives, the financial leakage, it all boils down to one single critical decision that every business leader is facing right now. I'm going to end with this quote directly from the report's conclusion because it is so powerful. Just listen. Customer relationships, built up over years or even decades, can be completely destroyed in a matter of months. Think about that. The stakes honestly could not be any higher. Which leaves all of us with this final crucial question. It's the one that really matters for every business and for every one of us as consumers. Is that short-term illusion of efficiency really worth the long-term price of losing customers, losing revenue, and maybe even destroying your entire reputation? Based on everything we've seen in this research, the answer seems pretty clear.